Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually had recorded this already on my other camera, but then my camera kind of broke and I didn't know there was no sound coming out of it. So this is the second time and that's why it's already open, but the first one I had opened it during the video. But anyway, so I subscribed for 1 month. You could do it monthly or you can stop and you can do it every other month. It's really basically up to you. It's kind of like the Sephora Play. But yeah, so I did Facetory just because I just wanted to try a couple of different sheet masks. So this is so cute when you open it. I love the color scheme. I think you get 5. And let me see. You get 5 and then you get 2 additional for your first subscription or whatever. And then I also did it in order, but now we might not be able to go in order. And there was actually, I think I lost it. It was a description for every single mask there were in the box, and it really explains what it is. Oh, here it is. Okay, so let's start backwards. So I was watching their Instagram while I was driving, which is technically really bad, but don't worry, it's always traffic, so I'm just sitting there or I'm just listening. So anyways, I don't encourage you to do that. So this one is the last one, and one of the reasons why I got this box is because like I really love, I know it doesn't really matter about the packaging, but I really like this packaging. It's so pretty. I just really like it. Okay, anyway, so this one is for sensitive and dry skin. This is 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and is also soothing and moisturizing. Soybean, willow, and cinnamon. You know, they say that word a lot throughout. I kind of need to look that up because I saw that word a lot. So this helps improve fine lines as well. So I'm super excited for that one. I think because I just like the cover. This one is Milky Glow, so that's what this one looks like. Here you go. And this one has milk extract, blueberry, and portulaca. I don't know it. So that is an antioxidant that helps fight premature anti-aging. And as you guys know, I'm really old, so that's always good, right? It's always good to start at 25, but I'm a lot older than that. So this one I was also excited about because my friend Chrissy, she had subscribed to this box and she says sometimes there's like 3 parts to the mask, and I never had a sheet mask that has like 3 different parts, so that's pretty cool. This one has milk honey as a picture, and honey bee. Okay, it's all honey. Propolis extract. There's a lot of words in here that I don't know. So that's anti-inflammatory. And then another one is ceramide, and that helps retain moisture into your skin. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I can't wait. I might do this thing because my room is clean now where I'm going to use the mask. I'm going to open it and try to record myself on the screen so you guys can see what my first impression are. Ugh, my hair is crazy. Usually my first impression of the mask is typically how I feel about the mask, just because I guess I could do a morning tea, but I might not do that. I usually can tell if I like the sheet mask after I take it out and the texture. So I might do that. It might not be in this video. We'll see how that goes. This one is Her Story. This one has seawater, okay, I'm just gonna give up on that one. Babusa, bamboo water. So that helps with collagen, skin strengthening, and plumping your skin. So yeah, a lot of these you can't really find probably on Amazon, maybe in just Korea, but you can order through their website, I think. This is my first box, so I don't know. So this one is green tea, and green tea is antioxidants. Let me see. What else does it say about it? This one has raspberry extract and hazel. Witch hazel. Oh, witch hazel. Okay, so witch hazel I just learned about, and it's like popping all over the beauty industry. Okay, skincare industry. And it's kind of like this old-fashioned thing, not old-fashioned, but what people usually use back in the days all the time to help their skin. And Should I keep going? Okay, I'm gonna keep going. And supposedly it's really good for skin. I heard some lady use it all the time and she just looked really timeless, like, or ageless. Like she never aged, and she's a lot older. I think older than 40, but yeah. So, and then a couple other people had mentioned it to me, so that's interesting. Although, you know, once you use these masks, you can't really tell which ingredients is like doing its thing, right? I don't know. Okay, and the last one, just kidding, second to last one. So there's 7 in this box. This is Marigold. I was like Marigold. Antioxidant and anti-aging, honey extract, and celery, which I never had the celery one before. So celery has both vitamin A, C, and E. Promotes healthy skin. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like this one too. I like that it's quite subtle. It's funny because, you know, sometimes when things are pretty, I don't want to use them, but I will use them. And this one is, which one? This is the first one, is green grape, apple extract, and lavender. So vitamin E, vitamin C, and also contains antifungal benefits to help combat bacteria. That's interesting. So those were the 7 that came in the box, and that box was for, today is June. Today's June. Last month is May, June. Okay, that was May box. I had recorded in May, but now it's June. What you gonna do? I don't know. Okay, and then the 2 free ones that I got are these 2. They don't really talk about these 2 just because they're the free ones, and here's the other one. I wonder if it's focusing. Okay, yeah, I think it did. So that was my box. So that is 9 masks for $21, which is technically a lot considering 2 of them were free. But yeah, I have a lot of masks to use, so I'm gonna record that throughout the month, and maybe I'll post it if I get to do it every single time. I really want to, because each mask is so interesting. They're so different. And I don't know, like they're the ones I noticed that like Korean brands either have like the multiple steps one, or which really plays into what that 10-step beauty routine kind of thing, or like their masks are super soggy and wet. And then I noticed like Western one, like I don't know if it's considered American, but like ones at Sephora and stuff, they have like multiple layers, so you peel out the back layer and then the front layer and then you use the middle one. But yeah, anyways, rambling on here, and yeah, that is all. I hope you guys like that. Give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you want to come back and see more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, just kidding. I wanted to say, if you would like to comment down below, what's your favorite mask or favorite sheet mask, or I don't know what happened there, but favorite sheet mask, or just what in a sheet mask do you like? Like, what do you like about certain sheet masks? I'll explain what I like in the next video or so. Thanks for watching again. Bye.